Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drone in 2026 for aerial photography, travel videos, or professional shooting, today's video is for you. We tested and compared the top drones based on camera quality, flight time, smart features, stability, and overall value. We'll start with the best and go down to the most budget-friendly option. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in. Number 1. NewUpgraded Touchscreen Tablet Remote Professional 4K Drone. This professional shooting drone features a touchscreen tablet remote controller, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and an incredible 84-minute battery life. It also includes 50x zoom, rain-proof professional design, GPS auto return, and up to 5-mile range. This is easily the most advanced drone on the list. The touchscreen controller gives full control without needing a smartphone, while the 3-axis gimbal produces extremely smooth professional footage. The long battery life and obstacle avoidance make it ideal for serious creators. Pros: touchscreen tablet remote controller, massive 84-minute flight time, 3-axis gimbal anti-shake, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 5-mile range, rain-proof professional design. Cons: too advanced for beginners. Best overall drone for professionals and serious creators. Number 2. Holystone HS790 GPS 6K Camera Drone. This premium drone includes a 6K camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, AI night shooting, 9-kilometer transmission range, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and AI quick shots. The HS790 delivers excellent image quality and very smooth stabilization. Its long range and AI shooting modes make cinematic footage easy even for beginners. A strong choice for YouTubers and content creators. Pros: 6K ultra clear camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 60-minute flight time, 9-kilometer transmission range, AI tracking and night shooting. Cons: larger size than portable drones. Best for aerial photography and content creation. Number 3. 4K GPS drone under 249 grams, 46-minute flight time. This lightweight foldable drone offers 4K recording, brushless motors, tap fly, circle fly, and GPS auto return. It weighs under 249 grams, making it ideal for travel vloggers and beginners who want reliable performance. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, 46-minute flight time, portable foldable design, stable brushless motors, smart flight modes. Cons: average stabilization, limited advanced features. Best balance of portability and performance. Number 4. SIMREX GPS 4K Drone. This affordable beginner drone features a 4K camera, brushless motors, altitude hold, gesture control, waypoint flight, and foldable design. For its price, the SIMREX drone performs surprisingly well. It's very easy to fly and offers good video quality for casual users, making it a great entry-level drone. Pros: budget-friendly price, easy controls for beginners, gesture control shooting, portable foldable design. Cons: basic stabilization, limited range, not for professional filming. Best budget drone for beginners. Number 5. GPS drone with EIS 2K camera with screen controller. This beginner-friendly drone includes a built-in 7.22-inch screen controller, EIS stabilization, AI tracking, and 64-minute flight time. The built-in screen remote is the biggest advantage. No phone connection needed. It's simple to use and good for learning drone flying, though camera quality is only 2K. Pros: built-in display controller, easy setup and operation, 64-minute flight time, lightweight and portable. Cons: only 2K camera quality, limited advanced features. Best simple drone for first-time users. And that wraps up our top 5 best drones in 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-fly drone, a traveler who wants portability, or a professional creator chasing cinematic shots, there's something on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future product reviews. Also, check the links in the description if you want to grab any of these drones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy flying!